Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
That looked like a tsunami.
Yeah, truly seen from a movie is what that
We're
looked
not going
like
to see anything like that, are we?
No. Well, we're going to have a little bit of flooding here, but not anything overwhelming. I wish I could tell you that either Saturday, Sunday, or Monday would be, the drier of the weekend days here, but I think equally rain chances are going to be just as high for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, in that we're going to have on and off rainfall, and it will be heavy at times. Look at this lineup here of showers and storms already getting going, and that's going to be moving in. You see that on Next Weather Rain Tracker doing an excellent job of initializing here. So you see the storms that it knows it's there, and that is going to be continuing to push off to the north and west. Some of these cells individually will survive the trip over to the coast, but you get the idea just in general. And this is just through 5 in the morning, this unsettled pattern that we've been dealing with the last a few days. This upper low, that's going to enhance the thunderstorm activity. The tropical moisture that is going to join the upper low is going to result in heavier rainfall rates. And so we're setting the stage for all weekend days here that when it starts storming, we are going to have the potential for some localized flooding because the rain potential is going to be that high. So just keep that in mind, and this continues through Labor Day. I would plan some outdoor activities. I don't want you to think that, we have to stay indoors all weekend. Nobody's going to do that, but we are going to have to dodge plenty of showers and storms. There is an Next Weather Rain Tracker through the morning, right? And so we get breaks. Look at Broward, not depicting anything there. Of course, again, the timing of these with the model is not perfect, but just in general, you get the idea that will be breaks in the rainfall here. We'll have some sunshine poking through, and then we'll have additional showers and storms getting going. I mean, I could roll this and it just kind of looks the same every day, and this is why, we're talking about no day is going to be drier than the next here. So that's just going to continue, and that's through Sunday, and then on Monday we'll do it again. 1 to 3 inches. Some areas picking up a little bit higher, particularly if we start getting some training with the thunderstorms that pull in from south to north, particularly on Sunday. So that's something that we'll watch, and Casey Sherman and Dave Warren will keep you posted through the weekend. Check in periodically with them. Tracking the tropics. Got a couple of areas here across the eastern Atlantic and now the central Atlantic. Let's focus on this one here because that's the one that we're going to keep our eyes on. Why? Because it's going into the Caribbean here, and over the next few days, the warm water here and conditions are going to be favorable. 40% odds of this developing into a tropical depression. But when you see a very long, just circle like that, and not even circle anymore, right? That is an indication we really don't know where or if this will develop into anything significant over the next few days. But it's in that region that we're thinking perhaps the next tropical depression, perhaps Tropical Storm Francine will form. Thereafter, it is just way too soon to talk about. I need to see how the system emerges in the Western Caribbean before we can talk about what it does if it heads into the Gulf of Mexico. But it's just something to keep in the back of your mind and keep checking back with us. We'll keep you posted. There you see the rain chances. I don't know if that's helpful. Just keep in mind, anytime thunderstorms are throughout both Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday is the way I would characterize it here. And that continues through the early part of next week, although we'll begin to get that moisture out of the way, at least the tropical moisture, and get lower rain chances beginning on Tuesday. We'll be right back.